Hello friends. Welcome. I am going to show how to check your spelling in Google Docs. By default, Google Docs spelling and grammar check are enabled when you first open a document. If you think this is not the case for you, please check the following settings. On the menu, go to Tools. On Spelling, see if Underline Errors is checked. If it is not, please click on it. Your spelling check is now enabled. You can right-click on every word that is underlined and get suggestions. Along with a spelling and grammar checker, Google Docs has a built-in dictionary you can use to look up words, and it even suggests synonyms of selected words directly inside your document. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and please thumbs up, share and subscribe.